This car right here has been my dad's daily driver for the past decade. It's a 2007 Ford Fusion S with a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder and the 5-speed manual. He got it new back in, I believe, February of 2007. And in light of what happened with my mom's Ford Escape Hybrid, the battery dying because she left the dome light on, I've decided to swap out the map lights and dome light to LED. Plus I had a few left over and I needed something to do with them. Now just like most dome lights you find in cars, there's going to be some kind of dent or impression that looks like it could be used to pry off the lens, and it is going to be used to pry off the lens. In this particular case, the impressions are going to be located at the back of the lens, and you just want to stick a small flat blade screwdriver into it and it pops right out. The bulb number is 578. I got these bulbs off Amazon and they're made by a company called Yorkin. They're not sponsoring me or anything, although if they want to send me some free bulbs, that would be pretty awesome. I've used their bulbs in almost every car that we've had so far. And unlike most LEDs, they don't start to flicker after about 6 months or 2 months and then become really annoying. And I'll leave the Amazon link in the description down below in case you're looking for them. Now I noticed that these bulbs have a slightly smaller diameter on the contactor, and the best way to fix that is by squeezing the receptacle a bit so that the little two metal prongs will be a bit more snug on the bulb. And it was all going great until... Did I just blow a fuse? God damn it. So I pulled out the owner's manual to check to see what fuse controls what and what controls the dome light, and it turns out the fuse that cuts power to a dome light also cuts power to the power windows and a couple other things. So an easy way for me to check to see if the fuse is working was to test the power windows. Yep, we don't have power windows either, so I blew the 15 amp fuse. I went to O'Reilly's, picked up another 15 amp fuse, got the wrong fuse size the first couple times, got the right one the third time, stuck that in there, and everything worked fine. So if you like this video, hit like. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And if it helped you out, well, just be happy to help you out. Have a good one, guys, and do whatever you do on the internet.